Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make a Yester card in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account with ID and password. Then you can see here a search bar. Just click here and write Yester card. After writing this, you have to click enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, you can see here many Yester card templates. All you have to just choose one and start customizing yourself. Just choose one which is related to your choice preference. Okay, so let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you like this template, now if you want to customize this template, just click this one, customize this template. Then you can your template is ready to customize. I'm going to show you how you can customize every portion you want. Okay, now if you want to zoom this, just click Ctrl and up scroll from the mouse. It will be zoom. Ctrl plus up scroll. Okay, and now if you want to change this the yesterday, or sorry, if you want to color this text, just go to text color and you will find many colors here. Just choose one, it will be colored. Or if you want to bold it, sorry, this text cannot be bold. Okay, but you can bold this one by clicking this will be bold. If you want to rewrite this, or if you want to add your own text, just click on this, press backspace, it will be removed, and now write your thing you want to add here. Anything you can add. If you want to make the text color, sorry, if you want to make the text big, go here, choose and go plus, it will be big. And if you want to make it small, go small. And if you want to make this text color, go here, text color, and you can add any color you want. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can change the background color. Just click here, any space, and you can see here the background color. Click here and go. You can choose any color you want, black, this one, or any color which is your choice preference. That's up to you. So now if you want to delete this portion, if you don't like this, or just choose and press backspace, it will be removed. Or if you want to undo this, go here, undo, it will be again. If you want to add here something, like if you want to add a chocolate here, just go elements and write anything you want to add, like chocolate, press enter, you will find many chocolates here. Just click one and it will be here like this. You can customize this and you can drag it like here. Okay guys, so after completing your work, how you can download it? You can go here, share, and then you'll find download. Click on download. After clicking on download, you'll find file type. Click on file type and choose the type. Then you can see here the download button. After clicking on download, this whole work will be downloaded in your system. Or if you want to share this work via mail with someone, just click here and you can see here the collaborate link. Click here and you'll find the anyone with the link. Click on this and you can add here the link, email address @gmail.com. If you click on send, this whole work will be sent to this email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make a Yester card in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.